And now to a health alert involving the Chesapeake Bay. Maryland health officials are warning swimmers about the presence of flesh-eating bacteria in the water. Ashley Paul explains what you need to know.
A hot summer day calls for a cool swim. But in the Chesapeake right now, you might not realize what you could be swimming with.
The bacteria is called Vibrio vulnificus. It is a gram-negative rod bacteria.
To put it simply, it's a flesh-eating bacteria. And Maryland health officials say they are seeing a prevalence of it right now in the Chesapeake Bay.
We know that Vibrio occurs throughout the year, but primarily in the warmer months.
Dr. Clifford Mitchell, director of the Environmental Health Bureau in the Maryland Department of Health, says they have 29 confirmed cases of Vibrio so far this year, but nearly another 100 probable cases. That's about on par with the numbers last year, but a spike from what we saw several years ago.
Typically, we do see some up and down from year to year. There are a lot of factors that go into that. How warm it is, how warm the bay waters get.
The bacteria grows in warmer temps and can enter the body in two ways. One, it can be contracted through an open wound on the skin and cause redness, swelling, pain, and blistering that rapidly spreads. If untreated, it could lead to amputation or even death. The second way is through ingesting the bacteria by eating shellfish, such as clams or oysters, which can cause severe GI upset. Dr. Cassandra Black, an infectious disease doctor at Carroll Hospital, says there are some things you can do to prevent exposure.
If you are exposed to water to an opened wound, then it should be cleansed immediately. For the foodborne part of it, would avoid eating raw oysters if you're able to, or making sure that the shellfish is well cooked.
The Maryland Department of Health says if you think you might have Vibrio, seek medical attention immediately. But don't let it get in the way of you having a good summer. It is pretty rare.
We want people to get out and enjoy the beaches of Maryland and the shellfish and the other produce of Maryland. We just want them to do so in a safe fashion.
And that was Ashley Paul reporting.